To add buttons in card as clickable elements, you use the built-in button feature. Buttons are one of the most important interactive components in web design because they guide users toward actions such as visiting a page, joining a community, submitting a form, or navigating to another section of your website. Start by opening your card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder where all design and layout elements are managed. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of available elements, choose Button. This will create a new clickable element on your page. After adding the button, open its settings panel. The first thing you need to do is set the label. This is the text that appears on the button and tells users what action they are about to take. Common examples include Get Started, Learn More, Join Now, or Contact Us. Next, add the link destination. This is where users will be taken when they click the button. You can use an external URL such as a website, social media profile, or Discord invite. You can also use internal links like section anchors, for example, #about or #contact, to navigate within the same page. If the button links to an external site, it is recommended to set it to open in a new tab. This ensures users do not completely leave your card page, can easily return after viewing the external content. After setting the link, you can customize the appearance of the button. Card allows you to adjust size, color, spacing, and alignment so the button matches your site's design style. You can make it stand out as a primary call to action or blend it more subtly into the layout. It is important to place buttons in strategic locations on your site. Common placements include hero sections, headers, contact areas, or near important content where user action is expected. Before publishing, preview your site to ensure the button is visible, properly styled, and correctly linked. Click it in preview mode to confirm that it redirects to the correct destination. Once everything is working correctly, click Publish to make the button live on your card website. And that's how you add buttons in card. Insert a button element, set the label and link, adjust styling, and publish your site to create a fully clickable and interactive experience.